Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Beam for Construction. So as we have started in Revit Architecture tutorial series for the architects and civil engineer students, so we will be continuing this series, and today in this episode we will be discussing about how you can create a slanted wall in your Revit architecture and how you can place the particular windows and doors on that particular slanted walls. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I will request you to go and subscribe my channel and watch this whole architecture tutorial series from the starting episode, so you will be understanding the architectural concept fully from the start. Okay, so let's create a slanted wall. How you can create that? For one, let's say I want to create this wall as a slanted wall, so I am using the CS command to create similar. I am going to top view and I am going to create a 4 boundary. Let's say this 4 boundary from this wall I am going to create here and finish. Now as you can see here, right now these walls are straight, okay, or perpendicular to this floor plan. But if we need to make this slanted, first of all, if you go here in the properties bar, you are having the following option. Here you can see in the properties bar cross section definition. So right now in the cross section definition it is showing the vertical. Okay, so to change it to slanted, that we have showed you one image here. If you want to give a particular wall to make it a slanted at a particular angle, then how you can make that? If you want only the particular one wall, or if you want all the 4 walls slanted, then you can make as per your requirement. If you want to create the pyramid shape or whatever. Okay, so here in the vertical you have to make it as a slanted. Okay, so once you selected this wall as slanted, then your second step, you have to give some angle. Okay, let's say how much angle you want this wall to be slanted. Okay, let's say if you have mentioned here 45 degree, this wall will be slanted at 45 degree. If you mention here, let's say 15 degree, this wall will be slanted at 15 degree. And if you want to slant it in the opposite direction, so for that simply you will be choosing, let's say minus 15 degree, so we will be putting the data in negative direction. Okay, if you want it to be in the outside, then you can mention here 15 degree in the positive direction. Okay, so by negative and the positive value of degrees, you can switch the slanted direction either in the outside or either in the inside portion of the building. So if you want it to be like let's say we are making it as a 25 degree and we want all 4 walls to be slanted, then we will be selecting the all different walls. We will be selecting from cross section again it as a slanted. After that we have to define the angle, so we'll be defining the same angle again 25 degrees. So as you can see here, right now we are having the slanted walls or a shape like pyramid. Okay, so this is how you can create a slanted wall, okay, other than the vertical walls. Now next we have to place the doors. So for placing doors or windows like this one, if I am clicking here and if I again typing CS command to create similar, and here in this face I want to place a window, so I have selected and placed a window. And let's say now we have to place the doors also, so I am selecting a door family. Okay, let's say this door family I have selected, create similar again, and this face I wants to install a door, so I have selected this face and a door is placed. So right now you can see we are having a door that is not aligned with the particular slanted wall face. So to align it with the slanted walls, you have to simply click that particular element. Okay, you will be selecting here, and in the orientation you can see the vertical option is there, but this vertical option or this oriented properties will be visible only for that particular windows or doors which are placed on the slanted walls. Likewise, like if you go here, this window is placed on the vertical wall, not on the slanted wall. So for this particular window, this properties will not be there. So if you click this one, there will be no orientation property there. Okay, so only for this window this orientation property will be visible. So you will be simply again clicking from vertical to slanted and it will be aligned as per the slanted wall. Again for the same door you will be picking again and you will be clicking slanted again from here, and the door will also be adjusted as per the slanted wall. Okay, so this is how you can create a slanted wall, and then you can place the windows and doors as per your requirement. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to share.